Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a conversation on WhatsApp Web using your PC. Managing your chats and conversations can help keep your messaging experience organized. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open WhatsApp Web on your PC by visiting web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your conversations displayed on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to locate the conversation you wish to delete from the list. Right-click on the chat you want to remove to bring up a context menu with various options. From the list of options, select Delete to initiate the deletion process for the selected chat. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete the chat. Confirm your decision by clicking on the Delete button. Following these simple steps, you can efficiently delete a conversation on WhatsApp Web using your PC. This can help you declutter your chat list and maintain a tidy messaging environment. Thank you for tuning in to our tutorial. We hope this guide has been informative and assists you in managing your conversations effectively on WhatsApp Web from your PC.